Hi, welcome back to Buttermade Foods. Today I'm trying something a little different. Instead of two recipes that I will compare, I'm actually going to compare a homemade cornbread recipe and a boxed recipe. If you haven't had Famous Dave's cornbread, it is really good. So I'm going to see if it stands up to the test to a homemade recipe. Okay, for the ingredients we've got today, we're going to put in some eggs in both recipes. The majority of these ingredients are all for the homemade. We'll need some whole milk, cornmeal, butter, some oil, and honey, flour and sugar, and some baking powder and salt. Okay, let's get started. We've got our homemade cornbread in the oven right now, so we're going to get started on the boxed cornbread. This is Famous Dave's, and the ingredients are very simple: milk, water, and 1 egg. So we'll get this in the oven pretty quick. Okay, we're going to start with the taste test. So let's try this plate first.
That's really good.
What do you think of that cornbread?
That's very good.
Okay.
Moist. A little bit sweet, but not too sweet. Colin, what do you think?
I'm gonna faint. This is
Pretty
so
good?
good.
So good?
Okay,
All right.
let's switch. So that was one recipe. Here's the second one.
You had like a little more sweet.
Yeah.
Not quite as sweet.
It's not sweet enough. I
Okay.
mean, cornbread's supposed to have some sweetness. Yeah, I kind of want the crumbs in this one.
So you would say the first one was the winner.
Yeah, pretty clear winner on that first one.
Okay.
Because both of us ate the whole
Well,
thing.
the winner is Famous Dave's boxed cornbread.
Wow.
So that beats the homemade version. Okay, well check out the link in the description.
And remember to like and subscribe.
And have fun.